how to set up a Contact Us button on your Facebook page to send Facebook user traffic to your website. So let's get started. First, go to your Facebook page and click the three-dotted horizontal More option. Next, from the menu list, select the Action Button tab. This will open a pop-up window. To continue, click the Try It button. Now, from the various action button options, select the Contact Us button and continue to move forward. In this pop-up, select the Add Website Link option to add your website link and then move to the next step. In this pop-up window, you need to enter your website URL or your website's contact page link inside the website field. And finally, click the Save button to finish the Action Button setup process. Now the Contact Us button is set up, but you may not be able to view it in edit mode. So log in as a Facebook user, and Facebook users will be able to see the Contact Us button like this, right under the cover image on your Facebook page. And by clicking it, Facebook users can directly visit your website contact page and contact you easily. With this, we have reached the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more updates.